Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a ratchet, a bit socket and a Torx T25 bit, remove the 8 air filter flange fixing screws. Lift the cover of the flange, then remove the filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new air filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. Put the flange back on. Rescrew the 8 holding screws. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.